All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just giving you a how I prep my hair for a protective style. So I know all these products, it looks like a lot of products, but there's a reason behind it. So yeah, so if you're interested, keep on watching. All right, so here's my hair. It is matted, tangled, dry. I have been wearing it pulled back in a bun for a little bit now, some few days, and yeah, it looks a hot mess. It's dirty. Look at that. So we gotta fix it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is just lightly spritz my hair with some water just to kind of get it loosened up and ready for the detangling process. I did get this spray bottle from Sally, so check your local Sally's and you should be able to find it there or online. And then next I'm gonna go in with the African Pride Pre-poo. This helps me tremendously with detangling my hair, especially in this state. So it kind of has a jelly-like, not a jelly, a gel-like consistency. So I just slather that all over each section of my hair, and then I finger detangle, and then I go in with my Felicia Leatherwood pink brush that you'll see in a little bit. And this process is the most lengthy process for me. I take my time while doing this because detangling can cause the most breakage, you guys, and I opt to really detangle with my hands because I can feel where the knots are. I can feel everything versus just going straight in with a comb. And so this is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I love this brush. If you have type 4 hair, you should get it. Really, it's meant for, I guess it's meant for everyone, but really for my girls with super kinky hair like myself, this brush has made the detangling process for me so much easier. So I just wanted to show you guys just how well the brush glides through my hair after just a little bit of detangling. This brush is a must, you guys. And since I got this brush, I have not used my Denman at all, and it's been some months now. I definitely prefer the Felicia Leatherwood brush way over the Denman, like by far. Also, if you're ever wondering just stuff that you always see in my videos, I will put the link to my Amazon store down below in the description box. So everything that I use for my hair, household stuff that I get for Isaiah, things that I film with, it will be all in my Amazon store. So make sure you hit the link and check that out. So here, you guys, I had just got the news about Kobe Bryant's passing, and that really like hit me like super hard. It was super heartbreaking for me, and I did not want to finish this video, but I kept going. So I used the Manuka Honey Hydration Shampoo from Shea Moisture, and this is my hair already washed. I did not take you guys in the shower with me, but here's a quick tip. Once you're done rinsing all the product, lift all of your hair up and then do as I'm doing it, just kind of massage the back of your neck just to get out any product that may have made its way down in that area. So going in next with the Mielle Hydrating Conditioner. This is a protein-free conditioner, and for this, I guess, process, I'm really focusing on adding moisture, hydration, that kind of thing to my hair. So I'm not really focused on the protein right now. My hair will always need more hydrating products and things like that, more moisture versus protein. So I'm just going in, slathering this all over each of my 4 sections. And this product, I hate to say it, it feels like a cheap lotion to me. Like, it has that really thin consistency. I typically go for deep conditioners that are a little bit thicker, and this is only my second time using this particular product, and I don't really know how I feel about it. I kind of felt like this deep conditioner was just sitting on top of my hair, not necessarily penetrating it. So you'll see me in a bit on the next half of my hair, like the left section, after I finish going in section by section with this deep conditioner. I'm going to end up using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. I've been using that particular conditioner for years now, and it's kind of like a staple that I keep in the bathroom at all times. So I just wanted to compare it at the same time to this new one that I'm using from Mielle. So I'm gonna throw on a hat and a grocery bag, y'all, and I'm gonna leave this conditioner on for about 45 minutes. I typically do not go over an hour. I need to invest in one of those like heated cap thingies. That's what I was thinking about right there. But yeah, 45 minutes and then we will wash it out. All right, y'all, so hair is freshly washed. This is how we are looking, and I'm gonna go in with this Alpha G green tea reconstructorizer. I believe that's what it's called. And I'm gonna spray that, just kind of lightly spray it all over my head, and then I'm gonna go in with the Main Choice Leave-In Type 4 spray as well. I don't really do most of these in combination, but today I did. And then as my moisturizer, I'm using this buttercream from TGIN. I love this stuff. I've been using it for over a year now, and I'm just going to apply it pretty heavily to each of the sections. I would love to know your favorite daily leave-in, daily moisturizer. I am looking to maybe try something new, add a little something to my routine. So please, in the comments, let me know what your favorites are. And if you are enjoying this video or would like more natural hair videos like this, please give me a thumbs up so that I will know. That would also really help your girl out. So within each of the 4 sections, I split those into 2, and here I'm going to take the Camille Rose Brown Butter Melt as my sealer for this half of my head, and I love this stuff. You can use it on your body as well, but I haven't yet, just only my hair. It smells so good, so I'm using that just to seal my hair, and then I'm going to braid up each section. So on the other side of my head, I'm using this, I'm using some Blue Magic, you guys. I've actually been using this for just a little bit amount of time, maybe like 2 weeks now. I was just not able to really hold the moisture in my hair, and then I was watching some YouTube videos because YouTube make you do everything, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give the grease a good old try. And so that's what I've been doing, and so far so good, you guys. I'm just leaving my hair in some braids, and I put a little bit of this on my scalp as well, but I do prefer Jamaican Black Castor Oil on my scalp. And here I'm just showing you guys a little bit of shine that I have. And yeah, it is grease, so it's very hard for my hair to, once I apply it, to get any moisture in it again once I've used it, but no moisture is really coming out. So I love the feeling of this on my hair, especially when I am prepping for a protective style. Yeah, you guys, just gonna pop a little bit of edge control, just a tiny bit, because I was running out after this, and I'm just gonna throw my headband on, and that's it for my wash day. I know this seemed like a lot, but that's only because I was just trying different combinations today. So make sure you check the description box. I will put the products that I will typically use on a daily wash day down up in there, so that you will have it and so that you won't be so confused, because I hope this was not confusing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.